For Yamamo, aha, mama kwaba, and October, bosom de toso, a yeduba, so oka wonsa, konos and nenumunsia. I can't afford Mako, Edunumon song, 57 days pepepe, Nagana for yeto Santin, one dogudugola, Quaco Tuaba, Akuyiman Penia. If you're near away, Nimu benches, Papa Momeyi, I found a ya pacing in a digidon, Papa Biafra, Nafim Raspeja Fossua, or more Ebetram Raspeja, Fimasha Sebra, I'm on May, Ejina ye, and somewhere, a coach you cobra, my cobatani, Inke, our memory among phone crew so and Yakesi near you, baby, a woopiano, ye bania diababa sumo, and some of the dosso, not apostle, and ye see animal casse, Ghana Roman and software be at Yesi Montreso, Moya Yetre, our encrapumpunemantum, Nina, a baby a galamse, and the insuni and sasse, Aquacudru Intia.
Environmental Protection Agency, Penny for the Abatu Ja, Altrasa, one more Mukitan Krata. What to form a good year no anya woman mum and na essay in Sassin. Na
Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners and Penning Forces Subsia, Omaka said and so I'm penning and Adudanko Kufado, a common soja for boom, say Omuntu Galamse Susa, yes, so much Jumasia, Bremun's Yonoso, Sanfire or Mashin on Yasam Ketua.
Alan Quadrature Martin, Elchum was saying, I don't know about Tanakunya, some penny about her singing in Hini, over to me, SCC. And I said, Ben, Nangomes, your own and Sembe Jan and Naso at Dangumasan and Potamontino, or in a proper one Potamonomo at the educational fund, there, what they saw in Nananomasin. I'm on a boy and Saka Trassa and Chakra Rana, what she a dear new model chrono, from a Jagasi and who Abequachi. I was a forward near Fufro Pinua, the Akikesi and the Andisacasia, Babia will be an area, yeah, Bania Diababas. More young faster and ma and you make quackesi. I am a zoo and a 5G 21st clinic. Sciatica expert OCP Ghana Limited. What was CP fertilizers at Sompa dear. Yadam was watching through a herbal center. What a through capsules and so I can hope you. Able pro service and control say. What was I watching when you mamu? Na fe multimeter onya manufacturers ne ade suppliers are sell don baba wom na akwanto China akwanto one mokono wom ntumi ene won Liberty Conference October edition no adro so biemo express group so de wo tu kwan na fe so kwa na yakade ya kire se cloud internet the fastest internet in the world eno no abusua wanu nyumako ne nkaye bia brepam yabaka won mo sempa de kire asomfo banu ya trase bakan semina fiatati amawono ayeme akosuya ajewa kwade boaten mene menua
na ya obo amalibia boga
ensemni
abza for yen shaka se na sem free galamse enkomo ho ne mfamuntu fa enkonkra pompre mantemo na yemfie ni enkudi roman asofo a ewo eye Ghana mema se wo ye kira wo mo eye ede etia galamse na be na otwenie ene ye de to manim se Ghana roman asofo binom akeka wo mo se ba bi o mayi yensuo galamse de akwakodro yen kwaye ne sase galamse edi ekrono se yakase atiri wa hwe a ebritie wa mu yebeye ibone enu ntino wo mo eyo madwene se wo mo ede nkrata bi akwa mpedimfo se omuntu anamo e galamse no wanye sade a wo mo roman asofo no ene roman asafo ne mabinu beka bom ene mpedimfo binu aka biewum no mo ayeye kire akasa ede etia galamse be bi ede ensase ne ensuo ehon sensema babedu ntena no pay be no ndu ene mo hyase ede free Holy Spirit Cathedral ewo Adabaraka bonten so ehyasie de mpaibo ehyasie dwampa ni bia ema rosary no ne Mary adoma ahyoma enchese ombu keka bia na jese omo etisim na omo enam omo ye demonstration ni nyina kasaditia ne ma no na omo esi rosary no na Holy Mary adoma ahyoma ni nyina jese Mary kronkron no omo eka ede egum Reverend Father Nicholas eye azin wono na Roman asofo a omo eye sa demonstration wakasa edema wo mu na ocheche nsem sei ede kire yen kakra
tino nyomu ye pa de mancha dan fama so anko ho but me fo say wo ye bibia mra da ho anti wo fo mra ye oman mra wo fo mra say edu fa kwan say edu fa so aha but so mo nye ade a enye that serious ye pacho omo fanche omo aha na omo mrefi say omo wo good intention but maybe the way they did it was a bit not the way we all expected. Ye dey ayeko ye hu bi eni me ye mpaibo enye gidigidi yo enye hey ana party asem ye mpaibo nti no we nya dey say ye dey nkofo ebe say o ye kwakọ ye basabasa okwan no so da bi ye bon pa say bi say bi sa ensi aha ti no bi biara a obedu no bi biara o tie yin bia no na ento ye nuanom fo omo be ye mfa mpaibo entechi
observe nti we ye Roman fathers omo ye demonstration won krepompene mantem de akasa etia galamsey de ye nsuo ene ye nsase ne ye kwaya aba bedru no kansamafo de ma wunum Reverend Father Nicholas Azen ye tene kano na eja womo koka fathers yi ho ene omo ye demonstration no esoso ede kakra so ma yensi
I join the fight for our environment. Okay, I didn't say that you know any young. I said that you know say if you say you need be penny when I say environment, the environment and SARS you know say MYA battery. That you baby I'm the one who see you in a sky. The Allah has said that's why you're penny. I'm going to be no one yet. I'm going to be Galamsey. Say SARS yes, they are no money. Then they are hard. The Australian penny for set motion almost yes, it's out how nice. So, see, I make me Jimmy, what I should have done almost some action. I said, green faith is not just about Christians, it's about Islam, all the religious bodies in Ghana. It is a who fear I will say demonstration protest they and it's politically inclined now join here. Green faith is here. Come and join us. Let's fight for our environment. Let's save our water balance. Any almost say Galamsey is here. Galamsey no sovereign can do. Actually, they can have to do. Focus can do in they are strong themselves. They save the environment in your water balance.
Abuzianti ene demonstration a Roman asofo ye de etia Galamsey e won krapompone mantem nipa binum agim jende omo ade omo ho akwa jimu na yeti omo nkasa omo soso no omo echeche omo nsem e de akere ye no.
Government Assurance Committee one mo so to answer Environmental Protection Agency one mo hwe anuama twa wo hye nyina no ehun sansam wo no se wo mama yi ya no Santia one matena se ayen hwehama na yensu asai na ekwa breton so di akiri na Ora Kingsley Krugu wono na executive director woda EP ano na kopie mu na asam ne be da bejasere da sansa we no mama kwan ema ne ba TV so sa Ghana fo nyina hwebie na yeni mu adanse abo no monyafo kopie wono ba ba kire mu se sa Galamsey no ya kan nya na ne ba ye o eba ya che wo ma no yenim ya de na no aduro no ya bepe no eno na akwakwa ya asem de amayen na ya na ne papi no aka se won mom kita nkrata no na wode ye adwuma no so ka ho bi ane adere sesa afo de din nam so nkire wo ba ba kire mo kire sesa small scale miners no ya won mom kita nkrata anka sa aban ama won mo kan ekwan no tumi krata no enya sa afo na esensuo no na mo won mom nam kwati kwa so a o man ye ma won mo tumi krata no won mo na hyehyɛ ase a na yensuo ane ekwa ibretuo won mo sei no.
If you ask me, I'll tell you, I'm not sure that the repeal of that airline is the solution to what you see in front of you. But the truth is that mining in forest reserve has been happening before. No one looks, I think, since 1939, it's been happening. And it got to a point where I think government decided that there should be guidelines on mining in forest reserves. And I think since 2001, those guidelines came into force, to guide how we can all regulate what is happening in forest reserve. I think it is those good guidelines, and I can tell you basically why it became an error. Because in those guidelines, you had the liaison group that was supposed to more or less manage the mining in forest reserve. But that group was an administrative establishment without the backing of law. So it is the activities of that group that then require that those guidelines be made into an error so that there will be a basis for the liaison group to function backed by law. And so it is the guidelines that graduated into the airline. And so we do not think that the repeal of the airline is a solution to the issue. And they're thinking that it is that AI that is promoting money. It's a slightly.
Anochi opanye pa to aso kire mo se ko no e hu sa no nya bata sa wo na enwa kwakwa yin se o man ye nyina ye fa sodie to ye ho so na nanom panyimfo nsore ye koku akodo na ye kan ye ho bom ansana yetimi etu ase.
I think from where I sit, I would say yes, there's a need to look into that because the way it works, we protect the environment. But if you already come with a lease, and say you come from the Ministry of Lands with a lease, you are in a position to put pressure on us to give you a permit because you say that look, if I have the lease, I've been given the right to go and mine. Your job is to give me a permit and give me conditions as to how I should work with my permit. You know, so you put pressure to bear on us. So if it was the case that you cannot get the lease, you know, until we have done even a cursory environmental assessment just to see where you are going to mine and all of that. So that our advice will inform the granting of the lease to you. I think it should be a better arrangement than the other way around that we come with a lease and you know how it works. So it's like you have gotten a lease, so that person who gives you a lease is a good man. Okay, so you come and I say I won't give you a permit, and you say you are the one who's a bad guy because I have gotten a lease. So
I was on the Attorney Environmental Protection Agency EPA Penny Quanchofua. Wadano Dr. John Kingsley Krugu.
Abzafo eguso ademu galamse no hone mampeni na nadu dan kwakufa ne MPP aban ekwan ya omo faso no mo asoso ano se beye na yensu no anye nsem kra na yenkwa ya hodo no soso anye nsem enkoseye ema dan kwa mebie no ebie nsuo no ne nipa da se ne kra wasetena wasase so enkonko ebibibi na mampeni na nadu dan kwakufa do emra Ghana adwumayefo ebo mutirimo po eka tam den se wi abogu so se kwan bia so wo mo ede omu kuku no mo kaka begu fom ayeye kira trefie ede etia galamse no mampani na nado dan kwa kufodo ne abe mo mpanimfo hye bose wo mo ebetia sojafo ahweso no mo afa kwan bia so tituru ne wo mo ti yensuo so edi galane de kwan bia so wo mo ebeso ikon kese wo mo so na wo mo apamo mu nyina ede afi ho no mo anche bia ene yete mampani de krata aba bonten a one small scale miners no ene sojafo ba be kabo mu na Ghana yensu ahodo nyina so se son se swa be bia obi tia ode chamfan esensu bia no sojafo no beto wo mu ho no mo small scale miners na kwakutu wo so sa na sojafo na hyase ye adwuma no na enra yese okobre mu nsuo no so a sojafo no eto a chamfan fo no wo so ma de oso mo hye wo mu mfidie no wo mo ehye de oso mo kye no so no wo mo eche no a se de mo kase wo mo do mo ekwaku emra no na Colonel Eric Eyetinedu Operation Hotwa mampeni na nadu dan kwa kufuado atie no wono ene ye commander eda wo ma no edu wo manim ene wo makọ enra adwuma mo koyeye e bremu nsuo no so no o cheche nsem sei e de cheche amfan dodo wo mo cheche ye dodo wo mo se no excavator dodo wo mo kopie so ene ko mbe fa so ama nsuo no wo mo firi hoi wo mbe mo mani akohu no mo aboho ba nyina no Colonel Tenedu echeche mu kire yen.
We are launching this operation just to make sure that we clear all our water bodies off mining activities, whether registered or unregistered. Yes, for now, we don't care whether you are a registered miner or not. Our concern is for the water body. So far as you are close by the water body, or you are on the water body, or along the water body, you are our target. That's what we are doing now. The forest is the subsequent one. But for now, the immediate mission that we have now is to clear our water bodies off any mining activity. Okay. We are going to all the major water bodies within the area, but as we've started, and then we'll go as and when. I am not able to tell you from here where we are going, but once we get there, we decide where to go. But we'll make sure that we'll go to all the water bodies. For this first phase, we are looking at Not less than 2 weeks. Not less than 2 weeks, and maybe subsequently we'll continue to the other areas. But for now, we have moved in for the first phase of 2 weeks to operate in the field.
Observe nti we eye Colonel Eric Tenedu operation hoto mampeni na nadu dan kwaku fo do atie se omo enante yensuo ni yenkwaya hodum no bibia osem edigala bia omo nche no nyene ndie manfamfiri ne nsem no wono ene ye commander eda no na yenko ma no so ne owura kwaku dua enkonkudi nkomo Small Scale Miners Association ku no wono ene ye organizer eda wo ma no mampeni na nadu dan kwaku fo do krata ba bonte no omo yene so mo ka mo Small Scale Miners no ene asojafo abom amomo edise adwuma yi yebusa se asojafo na adwuma omo ahyase omo edimu bia na anase na ye ano keke na mpedimfo ka de kire ye kwaku mahan
aja
majima di se ho ye
apomboko na so
erade adome so me ho ye sa na enra asojafo na adwuma omo hyase o brem no nso no so a womo cheche nipa ne binum shamfa womo ahyeshi bie excavator omo twagya atumu no na mo ka ho ana na mo no omo yesa operation no
yo medawase em se ye nyina e ka ho nemom asana hyehyɛ no anko yi abra na ye nyina ye kɔ osino ho no ene echeye mu ebi fa ha ene bi fa ha enti asojafo ni bi no ehunu se bi a omo pam tutufo no omo dwane na omo kompa omo ache omo no be omo ko fa na hu excavator na mo se bi excavator no so nsu mo adwuma ene ntu da bi aka se sojafo no omo ni ma na mu hwe to omo ko ye no omo ye saade no nenso na ye nipa ene ka kire se okon no na aba den a ekun be start dia obi hu beka eka no aye hu ne ebeye no but manes nyina nso enye gyahyehyɛ na bae
te enna ka me ba bebusa so ya tese munua no mu bi no ma hyase a womo bobuna complain se womo ekuto omo license omo ye adwuma omo de excavator na ye omo adwuma nye nsuo so na omo ye adwuma ba sojafo no operation no omo ye no omo hyehye omo excavators nyina ejise mo ka ho bi ade na mo be ye se be ya ensa so entoa so biewu
yo e ka ho bi ntre nyina trase ekasa etrom de oso mo ye na omo kura nkasa commander na odi animu no etrese omo anya de nyesa na imom adentina moto aden ekobo mu na so bia na omo se na omo gu nsu no so no a omo se kan fine no na omo gan na ntu no mu se bia sa machine so kan ho no omo de be sa de enti ye na omo hu sa na nyina da edi no ama de machine hie no kura no ene kura ono kura se enyame anim okon no wose yeko na sa kan fine for no free nsu no so na ne machine ya shine de neke se ekon no se ekon ma nsu nsu nyina eni da ho enti ade a ya nyina no masundue aboamu a efa boni bi amre
te mo ahyase de free Eastern region da be na bia ye hwe ni mu anase we no omachem enti Eastern region for na mu no na Ashanti region for na mu anase no operation no esi etie
yo medo se operation de e say no ase asabi fa ohina no obi so fa chiamia no sabe we ko bi na man ka bi de na akoye den ye nyina yito na mon bi dem tega na po nyina na organize later po nyina ho se sankrofo we na adwuma wonsu no so no enti ni kwa se edi bi tu ja se ha ne ye ko ana ha ne ye ba memom wo a we Small Scale man na we use machine a we adwuma kama no esro so je ni bia ma so be che o machine de si yero de no sabio sign keke and the buy and when your address and they Jamaica bia mo wa it's Central region hona nko for na copy mo ye adwuma no na so announce we amaka we ye fan to debut no answer wa be you so yi wa wonye ni ye no na atian outside for no ma hu ye ko
na ntizese no ahyehye no ebejaya na Wo complaints among for the bapa no say obu onoma on the license or a small scale miner na djuma o ye no ensuo mehu ba bia ma yaka say ye di sojafo yate sojafo hwesu ntino ba bia ombedru bia no na ni pande na excavator ye djuma na omo ehye no enti ebejaya na
eno na question pa na obusa ena na bia ya ne kasa sojafo entimi amwa na omo de no do before complain menum yenu nyina to soja na chien na ye boye saa na se ne panya mfre no to nya ye ne agise ne wakunye tan krofo ye do mo edom ka so amon fight illegal na se kala se ya da bia trent me ba but that the way see ye no sign ha se ba ya na ye nya no matras no nya na mo obi no tino ye wi omko na mo so omko ise region na ko hen so for no central region sorry ento mo area yin na sa trans bio na ye hu anya de se small scale man ya wo odjuma even though wo odjuma ye kra na won kata na kra no ewu kaka na sa wo odjuma ye nkwan ya ye odjuma ba omo ye tra mo sa mo na won suru so a omo friga na ha na omo ye sa temhunu erite ya sesese ye machines ra bra machines wo no ye betum nyina se amunya fio
so say mo so small scale miners na ama mo license na mo de ye adwuma no mo so mo hyehyɛ chamfanfo na chi no mo sensu no eno so
eno no say ye study o ho ntwa so a ohun ye wo nipa na ye kasa ye se onko chi nipa na oteso no afọ anko nipa kro a o de ne ba ya be de wa hu enti na meka tell say sa ho no aye reason enti ye ka ho nyina gum any una free una ye hwan you una ye hwan you eno ti na ban no this small scale miners waka ho we enye party sem ananye we sem cause ebi o wa o me ebe ya de na ekosai baby ai papa ye de ba o man yi enti na so ye de crazy so nemum efonso e ba anura no ebi sibio enti wa we adwuma wa anya adwuma obohu na de normal nyina ba fia na se ye try small scale miners for enti afi na nyina ye tetro mo no matter as Ghana, you hear good. Yes, it good for oil. Yes, it good for dollar. Yes, I said good for central for Juma.
Oh, go on, no, I say, yeah. As I've walked, small scale miners who na womo organizer and watch operation no asha sie no mu a e bi complain say oye adwuma ne enye nsuom enye forest mu okuta ne license o de ye adwuma eso sojafo ne baye no o ma be hie ne excavator ne mfidie nyina and watch say mfumso ene baye sojafo no kra je atum enra no se samfumso no e bi ensibio ye ne de akire be fra to bia no ye mfa enkamemo
from Tabaka Sebo and one in was so good suya, which you never saw your twin some so dear mom. Your corn in na you're Alan Quadocha Martin. Movement for change, one the dear anymore, never say. Wapram Penina Konya, our Gara memo. Where the aqua to jaw in a hinich remosa, in a hinted and Akuma so papa. Yamra be a chum walk around Poyano so for no. Now I heard done done you say one more your 2 bucks site no and see my papa to me a coso. Now a nay hour so by Preman Penina John was sending out 4 boss say. One run on to a banana no son send the power of one or debano and ya nubini.
Both sides now that's just the car before. The Maya Yam working my Abraham. Now, when I saw some boss say, Diana is so young, and Mammy moved there. I hear aluminium, and I bet me a several Ghana. Never saw every house in the they come. Also, there's a sound of that. And then, a greater. No one in your said, Mumpega Alan, now, I want to this one. And here, you are something. The idea to come back to Ghana.
was your way of movement for change. Panipaya or Diana Muira Alan, Kojo Chermatin.
Observe for Yagusua de Mo, Ewa Mansia South, Abato, Empesia, so Manso de Bia, Abaton Pesia, so Semne Yeke. Nasa Bene, Jedi Honson, some Ebetum Panawan Pesiano, so Ama Maso, so Massitinum, and Yamako Yediama Womuntino, and Rasve Jenny or Woman Rasve Fima this year, or Manso de Bia, Abaton Pesia, so Honorable Yal from Pont Adwa, Dona Sarma Nesu Gundi, and a year, it could be a friend say, a net reach out mission in Pedinfo, a Kabumua, one of my Ashasie, Eboa, a ye, a mega defua, a war and Pesiana so. Na Mame Antoinette Fusubuachi, Ujina MPNM, honorable a from Nemo, na Wabua a May, Editu Jase, MP, Nakuma Swadi pa, a yese, a mano, or Massitinum, Umbe DA, a Momujedi Kakakra, or more Edina Akonkain, and Untina Wafatun Hoso, se Brano no. Simpone Capra, what the best so massinum or jedimuno, what the ebebro mania metumpone, a war massitinum, Mame Antoinette Fusubuachi, and Amunto 2 year, Emma Honorable Yao from Pont Adun Sama, what the 2 Jenny.
Annette Reach Out Foundation, any Honorable Yao from Pont Ado. You didn't kind a year training, I have and San Wojuma who ama ma, or more ama, ya chum the way you meet pioneer, and San Wojuma ye. I say, I quite nimuni a pesi a boy man so mudija. Boja kakra no ya ma omu loan a omu de be support omu adwuma na kɔ nanim ya botan ne so omu nyira omu ho nya adwuma no na adwuma ne nkɔ nanim e kɔ nanim a sika no enkɔ baabi e begina ho ama ya ma nkɔfo foforo loan ne bi ya wonwoma bebre ya beboa omu nso so a omu kɔ school a e bia obehia provisions obehia pocket money ekunafo a ne no yare apomodin ye beboa no ene nea onye adwuma kra aduane kakra o de bebo ne bra no ya botaya ye wo ho ayeye ntoyi ye hwa ema ya hu ne die hu hia pa ye nenam nkro ni mu nyina constituency ni mu ye boa ye kire wo mo de won be di o mu hu ni se na be on be use sanitary pad no eno ye problem ye kire wo mo eye o mu ni padua ani kuro na o mu wo mo no on be di o mu hu ni eno hu dwuma enso ka ho ene me ka kire mo se enne ska ho ayedin en kwan so a ska o ye do be ko no enya agro kakra na omanya no omo fanye adwuma entumi emfamfa so bi emra
Abzan nti we ye honorable ya from Poado ena odefa Antoinette reach out mission for so embo de samwa we akọ ede ama madwadifo a omo ewo manso de bia baton peso ya so no na meye omutiri ye ensa eka sika bie so no ede aseda soronko koma honorable ehye ne bo said also omde sika ne ye bia ama mpuntu bo mabrabo mu no omo de be ye dodo
na sisi no ade a MP abaye ne ne achire ye no mani aso mani age medanase wone madam nyame nsira wo mu no omo awo mu mo adwuma wo mu ye na anya nkoso no omo nsan hwe afofrofo na aka achire no ebise ye doso ye de ye hu hyekue mu na ye nsusu kura se MP betwa nani ahwe ye nsusu se wone madam wo mu twe ni hwe ye pa na emom dade asekue ne de yakoma da so se MP baby bia wo beko bia wana nani hwe ye wonyina ni mfiri ya sokra na kwa ewuo mo wonkwama ye di na chi
ya da mpini anet ase da na se pa ya nsusu jewa na emom de meka kire mpini se ya di na chi ache okurani ache pa ache ntidade ase die ma o ma na ni emfiri ya ho o ma na ni nku ya ho pa ni ya nsusu ya ta na chi center afo nku no na madam anet ade a ono so beye ma ye na yefe etime sense afoforo na aka akire no umo ma aka akire na doso ma o ma na nso ye nko akakra yi yeso na umo aka akire no nso enya bi yan so de akomapa ade mpai bota na chi
observe for we ye manso de bia baton peso ya so ena yekoye
First dama OCP Ghana Limited what OCP fertilizers aba akwafo mu som na mo fanya dwuma ye wo NPK 15 ya wo 10 and ya wo TSP okom ya ton fertilizers ha wo benya bifre 0555 909 437 0555 909 437 cloud internet boama internet na gina so internet atete kwa na ha dwene papa na so nti kwa na cloud nkodi nkomo top high one love fm din hwani mu 0202 699 0202699110 ye to kwan express group ana de yakọ wasaba bia pese to kwan akọ bia no na daroma odo be kopa kuma se asafule ba on about ankran kana shi first light 0249 000448 0249 000448 Liberty Conference abuso ya kan for dia mawo nyame ya doma 26 October na eba so shanen so pa ma ya no paro nsia Jubilee Park ne ya hyase be ye butu ampayi ya edwa sansa fe ne be kona wie enti wo se enhoma no ya hyehye mu nyina ne ye break bibia na ne yoma kwankan oman ne ye odubo ache won ne de animu senada ne de nyina wo ye no no afa adwonto fo wato nsade afa won Georgia ejei kan ho bi minister SK Frimpong ana minister Kwame Jedubra bi na wo be ye nhira pa emu pro service emu pro nie na wo se wadwuma no a wo pese wo kyerɛkyerɛmu no fa bɛda wonom na wonom mo na we no de o pese o mu yenie wo bo ma wo manufacturers wo suppliers na so so honim de ne ba bi obenya safo na free no akwakoya de ama no wo mo de nanso dwumadie na abaye kwa China to e wo de enwuma na kese wo kwa wa wo ne mpanyifo no kwa akodi nkomo wo kotubia na se wo ye kama pa wo se we take it wo visa ana waduane a wo bedie baby a wo beda ne nyina no aye $2,499 asam ne yeken $2,499 enti shasiantem registration no date no 23rd October na say 8th November ne yetu ye na yakro no shasiantem wo mo achemota mo ho no mo a bibia ne afra homa no 0244 92 4573 0244 92 4573 Tira Herbal Center de Ko Capsule Saba ayakoko master dro sisi ade ayam tim ne kokolenak dan Herbal Mr. Nia Pedanka on Sabeka 0546 107 0546 107 107 and asiatica ya de no one mutu ose na ya dia tum se wo ma be ho pa area 21st clinic where asiatica expert papa nya sam keto ma kuma se show overseas junction obo second socotes and crowd market sunya na kranza tachingman 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Sompa chade nie abusua da na fa wo de bra wate yen kamom wo ba ya bo Sompa na rasa twede ampon wonya bibi mfa ma wafi mu a wokọ Sompa kranza e wo Ghana Commercial Bank dan nim Sompa sunya ne so 90 market ana Sompa kuma se ye ben no hotel ayem mo ne ade bibia de ba ye ye mo ba mo ne ya homa no so nie 0598 55 9802 0598 55 9802 Edini Atawan Media Anasa Blessed Foster Mizo ana 5G anso aka ho bi yenyina wasoi na hotel ye ba de akachi no ye beto aso amamo
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo o magye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womagidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afiri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afeina mebeko menkrata krani
hey eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi musa no
oh Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo opese otu kwan kosiade a Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and say visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi do wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a kwai Kumasi as a labor runabout where Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more much for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
TV, Emma Akitiapa.
I was your dam was Sayatoa and some no so. I'm on a boy and Saka was a fitting Yami Adman. I watch your Ebesimuno. I'll do from Adagas and who by a dim pa. I will may moon. When in your LPG reserves, I would draw Maymuno, Sunny and who was to be a Yafa, and a National Petroleum Authority, woman to be a Shadan Quayino, and on I can will be a man. Yababa Druba be a dream. Now I can will be a man. LPG Marketers Association of Ghana. Panyipayo ya Vice President Adano. Ora Gabriel Kumine Sompa Kasie Akasa. Achoche mudientia nei yadrusi.
3 days ago, my sister's mom said me called to be black. Into my chinis my the following day, me bahana me toy. And then another Messiah have a toby. And then Messiah my son be at Bantam. I had always me toby you are. Into Manchester so to be had. But swear boy, yes, only an attached and a crew from that was airport. That is airport on about. Also attached, but I had a 10-year Mitonoa. Okay, and went to mention but always the Mitonoa. Prague, it's my customers in Sumami.
I was away one moment to talk from a Jaga CBA, or Mokoyana say, and what ya quack, Shenaka Cranny, Koti, and young quay. Now, any man Bonnie Bower bedroom couldn't come on. I
was your Jozo.
I have found a problem walk or drew. Now, also the to say.
Like I say, if free and no paina, me free as a boa pro, any Nico, a Sofia, and Katia, and Afia and Omani. Saa me ayemi ensa we na mako ni nyina se ye hwe from agya sene panyifo adi kan dia todwa se ehho akwa atwe kakra no nanso akosu ya metumi aka se aproba me boy nyina no baabia ni hɔ a me hu se from agya no ehho akwa atwe baabi ba ko a mete ye eyasu ye bo a ehho nso de manko hɔ na emom asuofia ne nketia ne anoma anye de metumi aka se from agya ni bi wɔ hɔ a adehye wo hokura no a me call saa bre no a na omokoto bie no omo kire mu se be se na mienu nie na omo te se ho aye dene nanso no eno omo ba ye ne de pinu a wo hɔ a ne bo no nso de nya de se omo atum tayi na na ohwe anoma anye de no so no menini di nkomo na o kire mu se mpanyimfo e wotema no na eya na omo pese omo hijack na omo kase bi ho ayeden nanso ono mpempino one me kase die mframagia no abusu wo eya anomanye ene ne mro no so nti onti asese mpanyimfo eya na omo kase mframagia no ho ekwa atwe ana se ho akwa atwe nti akosu ya problem abode baabia ni ho nso a meka se ukọ na nipa bodom pema as omo ba be pebia to isan se ba besa ukọ a edamu obia omo ba nso no omo cylinder ba ku mienu no omo ba fere anya se bi oba ba fere pinu akosi wo se ho be kwa atwe inframagia no de miaya mekoye ndie akosu ya ni na ebi wo hɔ anesa
yo ane ne yebada se nyame yadom asande ye won mo ka se abi afiti next week ikono ye hwe next week no wase de kira man ne hwe se aso ekwa atwe na se da so gina de gina wai abusu amane boni ba wo beidu ane yetine ngai
abuzafo yemfamo enfree inframajawe sabwa gas nsensemi ho na yemfamo enko eye ensem fufrumu na ensem fufrumu a yedemo ekro no yedemo eko eye engomasuam na sabe na ngomasua ho nsensem ebetu empone na agina ye ewo adangomase ene ne mpotamu nti no na adangomase hene na kojo entiamoa penia otoso mienu at educational fund ya osene nanom baby bia wose oso asene mu boawo ma wusuade kokodro de obefa to no ho so na waboa nti enra ewo adangomase abonten so no nipa bebro wo ha na nabodwa sempoa ne nkapre a also di pia wonum wa wokosua pon wo se wokọ wa wokọ eye teacher training college wo se wokọ wa also so wokọ gentiti abe nurse ni wo se wokọ nana etusa anamono simfie num enhyehyɛ no de asi nani so a education ho nsensem eka ho bia kwan bia so no wotu ho anamo so obeboa de nananom amomo akọmanim ewo ngomasuam na akojo nti amo apani a otoso mienu adangomase hene ne nsem ode to ye nemoni
Mini akwama yewura sante hene eni ma me si biche min so ma so american say the nanom be ye no na be bi atoso na boma asante ayekese na ma se ayishira eno anam be na be hu say se na da ma se sitie no na yɛ nim deɛ sɛ na wo nya bɛka aglam deɛ rent share pa bi go accumulate ma boma deɛ aka nyinati ma baso if it is na yɛ free bi putoka some 5 years development plan ɔno na hyehyɛ ya na emu bi ɛyɛ education no ya wo de issue no in school there ya de issue in fee on na boni beka say formal and informal the how the friends is semi formal pra and no na ne yi nyina ne hu ne say nyina so bo maku bi atumpo ene adisua ene ne shashi bo hu de wo hye manfo no nkran so mo yiro mo say be bit maboa amade yi ya konkan and no ne guso bo hu de wura yes na no bi ne meso ato mo sem so mo nyina ba yem amen ne Abuzia
Fonti weye eye nana dangoma sehene nana kojo entia mo apeni otoso mienu ne yete ne nka no na sa educational fund dia nana ati peni kwanchefo a wono ene da no ehwese ombecha ma na so obi aso ewo adangoma sekru num eye owura Albert Chum no no soso no echichiri nsemu kakra e de kire nsem twerefo
Kodari bebre eni moma with good grace, but above for anyway. Did you wait now? We will be a friend of judging or US America, which you and that when you are so said there be almost a planning. And so the Benadi TV, ABBA school 2022. 7 forms get apply about to school 2023. It moves when you school move by about tertiary. Any universities new and they but. When they Buanama, what you are going to school, yes. I said you, oh, my no for any. Two skate clown, but to play Pusquabusuadi to the plano, and then my Monte Massa. According to this winning books, yeah, remember I want to have one books now with you. And then Moka says, Sampa Dadina, and yes, go Papa to Muchabusiadi. And then you went here, somewhere, and the Papa, my benefiting from Betty, or more could be 100 and something.
Observe penny Albert Chum yetene kanenu achire nkwala no so omutiri ye masa educational fund ya na dangoma sehene watie womo ensa so sika so sa ensa so mo aso a womo ede kwakoto omusuku so no esi bibi kakra de kire nana ede asera piesie ekoma nana wo sa ni so ade hunu kese ya wanya ede amane nana no ne kuro ni nyina
me waka no se ene eye ya ho a eye ni je se nana ya de fefe se amaye na minyani da so se mitimi akọ school ana se mitimi akọ university ni ntimi da na da mo ase hine mi da mo ase mo ni na afi se ne de be o ma kan ya no ma kwaye ene ade fefe a o ma ye amaye me da na se nyame nsia no ntum ko na o ma ni nche se na ebe ya o be kwaye de bia me da na se nyame nsia
me da mo ase hina ase any one Amanonia, or mother so royal. Some one of Rafua or Mama Evo school. Now, if you are so sure, may that will be as me or Bam put on for me. I feel school. Now I am a daddy pa, mammy. There's education fund. I'll come and then, many that's why. You go to your Missika, I'm a member at my children, so ready be. Now, make us say, me do be as now, shall be.
Intimidina ha medana no ada kwase hinase erade na konshira no anya ni kase o ma ntina na konya so nche ewo mo a ye mo broko a ye ni bina na ene na sukufo education for the akwa ye
Abuzia Fonti weye aya dangoma se ne yakoye no na dangoma se hene na kojo entia mo apeni na educational fund ya watia enra wo chema ne so ne nanom ne maso na adehye no eda na se no
I was say this year na ya so Koko Veronica Jando ya Grace akosia so more Reverend Michael Happy and Ebuzi the caption man ora sante ya bo Benedict ya munyina mo ase yeso